Hi gorgeous beauties, this is Miko. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have a special one featuring this gorgeous Louis Vuitton Murakami Speedy Soft 30 in the monogram coated canvas. If you're interested in seeing what it looks like and where it came from, then please keep on watching. So I just got this delivered in the mail. As soon as I opened up the box, this is exactly what it looked like. It's just gorgeous. The packaging is so beautiful. What a great gift. Mother's Day is coming up. This is from babalabag.co. I will share the link. I do have a discount code MK3725. It's valid for all items. The link to the LV Murakami Speedy. It's good for bags, shoes, accessories, jewelry, wallets, and belts. So I will leave in the comments all those great details. Let's see, as soon as we open it, it has a magnetized closure here on the box. And you're seeing this for the first time with me. Wow, it is stunning. The packaging, what a gorgeous gift. Look at this LV tissue paper. That is just beautiful. How gorgeous is that to open up on Mother's Day or for your birthday or whatever great beautiful event. Comes in a really nice high quality dust bag, which is perfect. How gorgeous. This is the Speedy 30 in the multicolor. So once you take out the paper, comes with the Louis Vuitton ribbon that you would get if you purchased in store, and you can tie it around the box and gift it and present it in that way. And then it comes with this little info booklet and then Louis Vuitton purchase. So it comes with all this beautiful gorgeousness, this little card. I want to show you exactly how it comes, or how your person will see it presented when they open it out of the box. It's very lovely. You can tell they care about their bags because they put lots of good quality and love into the packaging. Beautiful. Look at it in more detail. Let me take it out here. Okay, so the handles come this really nice type of styrofoam to keep them protected. These really nice silicone LV little caps on the zipper pulls to keep them protected. They are super shiny. It is silver hardware, as you can see. It is a dual zip. Oh wow, it's smooth. Just gorgeous. Comes with the big bubble wrap inside, styrofoam, all your little goodies for outside of the bag. The D-link's just gorgeous, protected. Wow, look at that. Stunning. Look at the beautiful colors. Perfect for April and spring and upcoming summer. Just a lovely bag and design. Such high quality, perfect packaging, affordable pricing. I love the care that they put into your purchase. Look at it shine. No flaws. The structure is just beautiful. Let's look at the bottom. Wow, the colors are amazing. So bright and vibrant. Love it. And the edges also have plastic on them. All the hardware came protected. Very, very nice. So, pretty. I love the way that it feels, and I did buy an organizer for it off the TikTok shop for the Speedy 30, and it's a gorgeous pink color, kind of like this color right here, so it'll match perfectly. I will do another video sharing the organizer and how I pack it up and how it makes the bag look, if it changes the structure, or, you know, just in general what I think about it. But so far, I love it. I love the way the rolled handles feel, very comfortable, and these are also super soft. So let's now try on the cute accessory, shall we? So this is the short strap. It doesn't have the extender piece with it, but personally I prefer this. I really love top handle bags, but if I do a strap, I really don't prefer a long crossbody. I like something that just tucks underneath my arm. It's dainty, it's beautiful. I love the way it comes protected on the hardware. These silicone really nice protectors on them. Just peel right off. Let's apply them on the bag. Just beautiful with the strap. Okay, and it comes with this little box. And here is the lock and key. Let's go ahead and put the bow charm on the back. Apply the lock onto the bow. There you go. It's just beautiful. The canvas feels so amazing. It's so supple and soft. I absolutely love the texture of it. Everything feels amazing. The straps are super smooth, comfortable, rolled. Look at the detailing. The stitching is impeccable and beautiful and flawless. I highly recommend Babble Bags. Use my discount code and I will show you how I pack it now. Favorite part, beauties, let's move in and pack. I got this gorgeous Juicy Couture strawberry pink pouch from Burlington just recently. It came with another little pouch inside of it. This one right here. It's all velour and blingy, barbified pink. So I just have all these fun essentials inside. This is the zipper pull. So I have my sunscreen. I have my lotion. I have some adorable pimple patches, nice and summery with strawberries and lemons. I got this cute little container full of these like little spoolie lash wands, which is really, really cool. I like the container and everything for your falsy lashes. I have my bubble gum in here. I have a little Vic stick sometimes, and right now the winds have picked up in my area. It always comes in handy for my allergies. Then I have this Tiger Balm. I just love the way that it smells and just helps with any aches or pains. I have my Peeping It Real hand sanitizer gel from Bath and Body Works. I have this Korean retinol serum. And then I have a Suave deodorant spray and powder. I carry a pen with me. And I think that's everything. The Tide to Go other pouch that it came with, I'm using as my tech pouch right now. So in this bag, I have my Samsung Galaxy earbuds, and this is the cute little case that I found at Target that I have them inside of right now. And then with my cute little summery flower clips, I'm using them to kind of get a control on my wires. So here's, you know, one of them. I stuck another little clip on the other. I need to put one on this one. I have a little pink USB. And then I have a white power bank portable charger magnetic to go on the back of my cell phone. Love this. Also ordering from the TikTok shop a cute little tech actual pouch that has mesh compartments, and it's just really cool. So I can't wait to get that, and this will be a lot more organized. Okay, so far I put those 2 pouches inside. So much room. Okay, and then I also want to throw in my Victoria's Secret makeup bag. I have my lip glosses here, all my fun touch-up makeup. I recently purchased one of these for the dry weather. Been loving that. Lots of chapsticks in here. So the makeup bag off to the side right there. I got this Sweet Thoughts little journal book. I've been loving it. All the papers have all these little sweet treats on them. Let me show you. Isn't that cute? I just love the way that it's decorated. Pretty. So my new little journal. It's really fun. The Creative Expert is the brand. And this will also fit in my bag perfectly right there in the back. And then I wanted to take my Lululemon wristlet and my card pouch. Matches, I love that. And then I got this new Paris Hilton lip gloss. It's a jumbo lip gloss. And it has all this bling. You can add it on your keychain. I love the little bling wristlet as well. From Paris Hilton. Really gorgeous, pretty pink color I've been wearing. So that could go in this back pocket. Love it. And then I got this Sour Lemon. Really cute pouch. Waterproof pouch. And it has my spray hand sanitizer in it. Sugar macaron scent. Smells so good. And I love that if I carry like a backpack or a little beach bag or something, I could clip it on. It's going to be so much neater looking, a lot more organized, packed differently when I get my organizer. So I will make that video as soon as I get it. And then I also have some sunglasses. And I want to throw in my little magnetic. This goes on the back of my cell phone. It's also a stand. It's a little suction piece. And you can TikTok or vlog anywhere. Just put it on the back of your phone and it'll stick to pretty much any flat surface. So I love that as well. Thank you, beauty, so much for joining me today. I truly appreciate it. Use my discount code. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite style is, what your favorite bag is, what you liked on the website. I can't wait to hear from you. Let me know what you picked out. I will talk to you very soon. Stay barbified and much love. Bye, beauties. Until next time.
You can do what you want, just seize that day. What you do